I means मैं. You means तुम. He means वो वाहिद मर्द के लिए. It means ये. Her means उसकी या उसका औरत के लिए. Who means कौन. We means हम. She means वो वाहिद औरत के लिए. The means वो जमा के लिए. His means उसकी या उसका मर्द के लिए. Him means उसे. Whom means किसका. Which means कौन सा. Why means क्यों. Our means हमारा. Your means तुम्हारा. Me means मुझे. And means और. At first means शुरू में. After means बाद में. Subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. Click the bell button. Get notified directly for latest uploads. Once again means एक बार फिर. Against means के खिलाफ. Although means अगरचे. Away from means से दूर. Because means क्योंकि. Below means नीचे. Beyond means परे. Both means दोनों. Down means नीचे. For means के लिए.